birch trees with exfoliating papery bark, so peculiar of birches. And this Bitula tree stands planted at Navy Pier, the famous tourist location beside Lake Michigan in Chicago, state of Illinois, America. So I am showing you the bud burst of Bitula. These are triangular toothed leaves with catkins and these pinkish bark, beautiful bark of Bitula, birch, Bhojpatra, the tree which has provided first paper to the humans on this planet Earth, and a location in Srinagar, Kashmir is named after birch as Burj Homa, megalithic location. And these birches are unique to the temperate climate. So in North America, Illinois, beside the lake Michigan, I am able to show you these birches trees. And apart from the birches, there are some grasses and beautiful flower behind. And not only this, we have even meadow buttercup, ranunculus, and the Persian onion, that is Ilium hollandicum. This is the location of Navy Pier, which was established way back in 1916 by Sumner Frost. An old wreckage of old ship is also placed here. And on 11th May, we are celebrating the World Migratory Bird Day. Already in India we have 11th May, and in Chicago it is 10th, on the eve of International Migratory Bird Day. I am able to show you this marine environment where there are marine birds, terns and gulls on the simmering water of Lake Michigan. So spirit of Chicago, and these are the magnificent hotels and restaurants and theaters, Shakespeare Theatre. The lush green birches planted in the spaces. So on one hand you see the modern architecture, Bitula, birches. On the other you will also see the magnificent skyscrapers. And this year's theme of Migratory Bird Day is protect insects, protect birds. So each year on second Saturday in May, we celebrate the International Migratory Bird Day, when birds come from tropical, subtropical locations to the northern areas where there is the onset of spring. And similarly, we also celebrate another day during October. October 12th is another time when birds migrate from the northern latitudes to the southern latitudes. Many birds, they come from Europe, Siberia, Mongolia, Central Asia to India also. And we have congregation of migratory waterfowl even at Lake Gharana, where the bar-headed geese comes in thousands. And here, while celebrating the spirit of Chicago. I'm able to show you the butter birds, the fish eating and insect eating birds. So you will see in the middle of this blue waters some birds, they are also resting and also flying in the air. These are terns and gulls. So many birds need insects, but with the climate change, deforestation and habitat change, we are also changing the floristics, and with the change of floristics and pollution and soil degradation, losing many insect populations. So migration time also determined by the insect population, availability of insect food to the migratory birds. So we need to take care of the habitats so that in the intact habitats insect populations flourish, and when these birds take migrations to the northern latitude during spring and to the southern latitudes during autumn time, they have to plenty of food so that they can undertake the arduous journeys from south to north and north to south. So celebrating the spirit of International Migratory Bird Day in second week of May in the state of Illinois, Chicago, I am showing you the Michigan Lake waters, and very near to Michigan Lake we had the Calumet Lake, and beside that lake unique fungal eating mycoheterotroph was reported way back in 1912-1914 by a University of Chicago student, and the name of the plant was Thesmia americana, and that tiny plant, smaller plant with flowers only for a few weeks, that was unique to the wetland beside the lake Michigan in Illinois, and that stands exterminated from the Illinois. So no more we find that plant species from the family Burmaniaceae. Thesmia americana has gone extinct because of the land degradation, habitat change, modification of habitat. So this is the unique water body Michigan. On one side we have the Illinois, other side we have the Wisconsin. We also have the sphagnum moss in the Wisconsin wetlands, and this is the unique location habitat where we are able to show you these birches, the birch trees. In Himalayas we have Betula utilis. What? In Illinois, this is another species of Betula, birch, Bhojpatra. And also stands, there are some oak species. This is the sky with many clouds. There are intermittent rains and sunshines. So we have plenty of vegetation around, and in the evening while taking stroll beside the Navy Pier, I am able to show you the plant, ornamental herb unique to Illinois, that is the geranium. This is the bloody geranium. And also another plant which is Amsonia. This is a Amsonia hubrichti, that is thread-leaved blue star from the family Apocynaceae. And there are many more plants. This is another plant which I am unable to identify at the moment. Beside maybe Pier. This is the crassulacean plant. And apart from these birches, green birches, they have been planted to add green ambience to the navy pier. And these are beautiful skyscrapers. And there's a row of trees which are called the Eastern Redwood. So this is the species Cercis from Eastern America, that is Cercis canadensis, Eastern Redwood. So its flowering has almost taken place. In Kashmir we have Cercis silicoastrum, Judas tree. But here, beside the Navy Pier, I am able to show you another Cercis. This is not Cercis silicoastrum, but Cercis canadensis. And these are the false indigo. This is false indigo, named after Baptist as Baptisia. Baptisia australis. These are the daffodils. I am able to show you the summer snowflake also. And these are begonia leaves at Navy Pier. And Baptisia australis with blue flowers, false indigo. And these are the bushes of Cercis canadensis planted at Navy Pier along with birches. So these are the flowers. Flowering is almost over and new leaves have emerged. This is also Ornithogalum umbelatum. Flowers are there, and this is the tulip, but now withered because already it's late spring. And apart from blue false indigo, I am showing you the red, this yellow false indigo, Baptisia, but another species. This is not australis. This is a legume and labeled as false indigo with yellow flowers. And there are succulents showing the crassulacean acid metabolism and new growth in spring, and some sedges at Navy Pier on the eve of International Migratory Bird Day, showing you the fascinating terns and gulls in the Lake Michigan. They are unique, and some terns also move to Grana wetland in Jammu, that is the river tern. We also see gulls, black-headed gulls in Somorevi, in Ladakh, Union Territory. And May is also the month of biodiversity. On 22nd May, we will be celebrating International Day of Biological Diversity. So 11 days before 22nd May, we are celebrating International Migratory Bird Day with the theme Protect Birds, Protect insects, protect birds.